This automated firing sequence tests the durability and precision of every Glock pistol under extreme conditions.
Welcome to How the Famous Glock is Made. We're taking you behind the scenes of this state-of-the-art facility in Austria to see exactly what goes in.
Using a digital caliper, the scientist meticulously measures the branded Glock ingot. This level of precision is critical for the final product's reliability. Here we see the critical casting stage. Molten metal, heated to extreme temperatures, fills the specialized Glock molds.
The freshly molded components are immediately transferred to the cooling line, where temperatures drop rapidly from 400 degrees Fahrenheit to The process begins with precision CNC machining. The raw metal is rapidly milled using specialized. The pistol's frame, often referred to as the receiver, is precisely machined from a block of polymer. Here you
The polymer pellets are superheated to exactly 450 degrees Fahrenheit, transforming into the molten material used for the frame. This is the injection molding phase. Molten polymer is shot into the precise steel molds at incredible speed. After the mold is cleaned with compressed air, the machine injects molten polymer under high pressure, forming the precise shape of the Glock frame. Every polymer frame undergoes rigorous quality control, measured to the nearest micron for flawless performance. The precision of the barrel is paramount. Here, the rifling is inspected under a high-powered microscope to ensure flawless performance.
Utilizing advanced 5-axis machining, the chromoly steel barrel is precisely milled. This ensures the legendary accuracy Glocks are known for.
Every component, down to the smallest spring, undergoes rigorous inspection. Here, the recoil assembly is meticulous.
The recoil spring is meticulously assembled onto the guide rod. Each component is precisely measured and In this phase, the robotic welders precisely join the metal components. The bright sparks indicate
Make sure the tension is exact on these springs.
Already done. They are perfectly within Glock specifications.
The worker carefully inserts the firing pin spring assembly under magnification.
The trigger assembly requires specialized tools and a steady hand before undergoing a precise digital pull test to meet our stringent standards.
Next, the frame is secured in the jig, and the hydraulic press seamlessly integrates the locking block pin. Utilizing a specialized mallet, the sight is secured into the slide, ensuring perfect alignment and the renowned Glock precision. Using a specialized punch and hammer, The assembly worker carefully drifts the slide lock pin out of the frame during disassembly. Here we see the precise removal of the recoil spring assembly using specialized tweezers. This ensures every component meets our rigorous standards. Here we see the precise removal of the trigger housing pin during the assembly process.
Precision is paramount. Each trigger is cycled repeatedly, verifying the smooth operation of the firing mechanism and the connector.
The technician ensures the slide mounts seamlessly onto the frame, manually cycling it to guarantee perfect functionality and lockup. Using a specialized bore gauge, the internal dimensions are measured with absolute precision before the data is logged for quality control.
This automated firing sequence tests the durability and precision of every Glock pistol under extreme conditions.
After the stress tests, the barrel undergoes a meticulous borescope inspection, confirming the legendary durability of the Glock. After initial assembly, every component is meticulously cleaned with a specialized solvent before undergoing a high-pressure air dry.
Every Glock undergoes meticulous lubrication. The technician applies a controlled drop to the slide rail before racking the slide to distribute it evenly.
Once cleaned and lubricated, the frame and slide are reunited, followed by a critical function check to ensure flawless operation.
Accuracy is paramount. After every live fire test, the groupings are meticulously measured with a caliper to ensure they meet the strict Glock standards.
After passing final inspection, each Glock is sealed with a tamper-evident serial number before leaving the factory.
Every single Glock undergoes a final inspection. When the screen flashes green, the firearm meets the highest standards and is approved for service.
Welcome to How the Glock is Made. Today, we're going behind the scenes of this state-of-the-art facility to show you the precision engineering that goes into every firearm.
Accuracy is paramount. After every live fire test, the groupings are meticulously measured with a caliper to ensure they meet the strict Glock standards.
After passing final inspection, each Glock is sealed with a tamper-evident serial number before leaving the factory.
Every single Glock undergoes a final inspection. When the screen flashes green, the firearm meets the highest standards and is approved for service.
Welcome to How the Glock is Made. Today, we're going behind the scenes of this state-of-the-art facility to show you the precision engineering that goes into every firearm.